The 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid in its eye-catching Raleigh red finishes turning heads for all the right reasons. Honda has taken everything people loved about the Civic and added a modern hybrid twist, blending style, performance, and efficiency in a way that feels futuristic yet familiar. The exterior styling is fresh and refined, with subtle tweaks that give the car a sportier stance. The honeycomb grille up front, thinner corner air intakes, and reshaped headlights give it a more aggressive personality. The Raleigh red paint adds that bold, sporty vibe which makes the car pop on the road, especially under sunlight. It's not just a sedan anymore, it looks like something that belongs on a racetrack but still feels at home in your driveway. Performance-wise, the 2025 Civic Hybrid is impressive. It's powered by a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder engine paired with 2 electric motors. Combined, they deliver up to 200 horsepower, matching the output of the Civic C. What makes this setup even more exciting is the torque delivery. Thanks to the electric motors, you get a 20% increase in low-end torque compared to the C, which means quicker acceleration off the line and a more engaging drive. It manages to be both responsive and smooth, giving drivers the thrill they want without compromising on efficiency. Honda claims up to 48 miles per gallon combined, which is remarkable for a car with this much power and presence. Step inside and the premium upgrades continue. The interior feels more upscale than ever, especially in the sport touring hybrid trim. You get leather-trimmed seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and soft-touch materials throughout. The cockpit feels driver-focused, and every control is within easy reach. There's a fully digital instrument cluster that gives a modern feel, and the layout is both intuitive and stylish. Heated front seats and dual-zone automatic climate control come standard in the upper trims, and even the moonroof adds a touch of luxury. The overall vibe inside is one of comfort, modernity, and attention to detail. When it comes to tech, Honda didn't hold back. The 2025 Civic Hybrid comes with Google built-in, which means access to Google Maps, Assistant, and the Play Store directly from the infotainment screen. No more fiddling with your phone. Everything is integrated and easy to use. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto also come standard, so whether you're Team iPhone or Android, you're covered. The Bose premium sound system with 12 speakers ensures that your music sounds crisp and immersive, perfect for long drives or just cruising through the city. Safety has always been a strong point for Honda, and the 2025 Civic Hybrid continues that legacy. It comes with Honda Sensing as standard, which includes features like collision mitigation braking system, lane keeping assist, road departure mitigation, and adaptive cruise control. The blind spot information system and rear cross traffic monitor give added confidence when changing lanes or reversing. LED headlights with auto on/off also come standard, improving visibility while reducing driver workload. Practicality hasn't taken a backseat either. The Civic Hybrid offers plenty of cargo space, and the 60/40th split folding rear seats allow for flexible storage configurations. Whether you're hauling groceries, gym gear, or luggage for a weekend getaway, the Civic handles it all effortlessly. The hatchback version offers even more cargo space if you need that added room, making it one of the most versatile compact hybrids on the market. The recognition this car is receiving isn't just hype. The 2025 Civic Hybrid was recently awarded the North American Car of the Year, a prestigious title that speaks volumes about its innovation, value, and all-around excellence. It's not just a good hybrid, it's becoming the benchmark for what a modern compact car should be. Reviewers and test drivers alike are praising its balance of performance and efficiency, with many calling it the best Civic yet. As for pricing, the 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid starts at around $28,950 for the Sport Hybrid trim and goes up to $34,300 for the fully loaded Sport Touring Hybrid. While it's not the cheapest option in the market, it certainly justifies the price with everything it offers. From the powertrain to the tech, to the comfort and safety features, this car brings serious value. It's a hybrid that doesn't feel like a compromise, it feels like an upgrade. In all, the 2025 Honda Civic Hybrid in Raleigh Red is a bold statement from Honda. It shows how the brand is pushing forward with electrification while still delivering on what people love most about the Civic: reliability, driving fun, and smart design. It's a car that looks great, drives even better, and makes you feel like you're stepping into the future every time you get behind the wheel. If you're looking for a compact hybrid that ticks every box, this might just be the one.